Good morning to everyone. Next topic, ratio and proportion. Ratio and proportion. Okay, ratio and proportion. Ratio meaning the relation between two similar quantities. The relation between two similar quantities is called ratio. Ratio denoted as A is to B or A by B. Ratio denoted as A is to B or A by B. Here A is called antecedent, B is called consequent. A is called antecedent, B is called consequent. Okay. Here, by using formulas, given ratio, one ratio is given. Okay, one ratio is given. Given ratio A is to B. Given ratio is A is to B. They're asking the different questions. What is the questions here? Duplicate ratio of AB. Duplicate ratio of AB means A square is to B square. Subduplicate. Root A is to root B. Triplicate. A cube is to B cube. Subtriplicate. Cube root of A is to cube root of B. Inverse ratio. 1 by A is to 1 by B or B is to A. 1 by A is to 1 by B or B is to A. Okay. Duplicate ratio of A is to B. A square is to B square. Subduplicate root A is to root B. Inverse root B is to A. Okay. This type. In examination, find duplicate ratio of A is to B. Find duplicate ratio of 5 is to 7. Find duplicate ratio of 5 is to 7 means 25 is to 49. Okay, the direct answers. But in examination methods, not like this. Okay, in examination methodology different. Try to solve. Okay, tell me. The sides ratio of two similar. The sides ratio of two similar triangles is 7 is to 9. Find their areas ratio. This type of questions examination methods. Okay, directly find duplicative, directly find subduplicative, find triplicative, find subtriplicate, not like that. Examination pattern is different. So the sides ratio of the two similar triangles is 7 is to 9. Find their areas ratio. Find their areas ratio means two similar triangles. Two similar triangle meaning same type of the triangle. Same type of the triangle means first one, if you take an equilateral triangle, second one is also equilateral triangle. Suppose first one, if you take an isosceles triangle, second one is also isosceles triangle. Okay, second one is also isosceles triangle. But same type. Okay, same type. Same type means same. Both are equilateral triangle or both are isosceles triangle. Both are any triangle, but should be same. Lengths different, but same type. Okay, here length 5. Sorry, here length 7 and 9. Only side is given by using the only side. What is the triangle area? That is my requirement. Okay, by using the only side is given, then triangle area is equal to, okay, then triangle area is equal to, okay, root 3 by 4 A square. Depends upon the given variable. Okay, depends upon the given variable. We have to write the corresponding formula. Depends upon the given variable, we have to write the corresponding formula. Root 3 by 4 A square. So then answer root 3 by 4 7 square is to root 3 by 4 9 square. 7 square, root 3 by 4, 3 by 4 cancel. Simply answer same answer. S1 square is to S2 square only. A1 is to A2. A1 is to A2 is equal to root 3 by 4 S1 square root 3 by 4 s2 square. As 3 by 4, 3 by 4 cancel. S1 square is to s2 square. That means again it is a duplicate ratio. Okay, but terminology different. Terminology different. So a1 is to a2 is equal to root 3 by 4 s1 square, root 3 by 4 s2 square. 3 by 4, 3 by 4 cancel. S1 square is to s2 square. So 7 square is to 9 square is the answer. Depends upon the given variable, we have to write the corresponding formula. Okay, that is the concept actually. Next, tell me the sides ratio of two similar, the sides ratio of the two similar cubes is 2:3. Find their total surface area ratios. And also find volumes ratio. And also find volumes ratio. Okay, tell me. Give me the reply.
Sir,
Tell me, Pavan.
sir, area and రాశారు సార్ రేషియో రాయకుండా and also volumes area and రాశారు సార్.
Thank you.
పైన కూడా సార్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియాస్ ఏరియా అని రాశారు.
Right answer, anonymous attendee. Surface area means a duplicate ratio. Duplicate ratio, volume means a triplicate ratio. Right answer. Okay. So total surface area. Total surface area means actually 6a square, 6a1 square, 6a2 square. 6 to 6 cancel. A1 square is to A2 square. 2 square is to 3 square. Volume ratio is equal to volumes. Volumes means A1 cube is to A2 cube. So 2 cube is to 3 cube. Okay, 2 cube is to 3 cube. Got it, all of you friends? Next. Second concept. Compound ratio. Compound ratio. Compound ratio meaning in a childhood we are behaving the compound ratio of A is to become a C is to D. The compound ratio of A is to become C is to D. The compound ratio of A is to become C is to D. That means AC is to BD, AC is to BD, AC is to BD, AC is to BD, AC is to BD. We are behaving like this. Okay. So compound ratio meaning simply logic. Okay. Product of antecedents product of consequence. Okay, product of the antecedent, product of the consequence. Okay, product of the antecedent, product of the consequent. Compound ratio meaning product of the antecedents is to product of the consequence. So compound ratio of A is to B comma C is to D is AC is to BD. AC is to BD meaning product of the left side numbers. So product of the left side number is to product of the right hand side number. Product of the left side numbers are called antecedents. Product of the right side numbers are called consequents. Okay, consequent. Okay, next. Find compound ratio of find compound ratio of 5:7, 5:7, 3:1, 2:1. Then answer 5:7, 3:1, 2:1. Then answer 30:7 compound ratio. Product of the left side number and the product of the right side numbers. Okay, friends. Next. Now important. These two basic points. Now important concept. Now important. This problem, your work. Okay, now, this problem is your work, friends. First, concentrate. These two starting to basic level, not a necessary. Okay, not a necessary. Basic part. This one very important. Okay, listen. A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. B is to C is equal to 4 is to 5. I want A is to B is to C. I want A is to B is to C means childhood method first of all. A is to B. A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Okay. A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. B is to C. B is to C is equal to 4 is to 5. So here what is the common parameter? Pawan, tell me what is the common parameter in the first and second?
B, sir.
So, but here 3, here 4, both are different numbers. Okay, B is a common letter, but the numbers are different. That's the reason I want to equate the B value. I want to equate the B value means so first equation multiplication with the 4, second equation multiplication with the 3. So the first equation become A is to B is equal to 4, 2s are 8, 12. Okay, 12. Next, B is to C. B is to C is equal to 8 is to 15. Sorry. So 12 is to 15. Okay. So 12 is to 15. Then what is the common parameter? So A is to B is to C is equal to 8 is to 12 is to 15. 8 is to 12 is to 15. Got it, all of you? This is actually second, third class and fourth class method. But in 60th class and 70th class method. Okay. 60th class and 70th class method. 6th and 7th class method. Look at the board. Look at all of you. Look at all of you. All of you look at 2 is to 3. Look at all of you. 4 is to 5. Look at all of you. Like listen. In the given question, all of you. In the given question, first number, this first number, okay, this first number, and this is second number, okay, this is the second number. Concentrate, all of you. If you are equating the second term, not the first term, because this is the common variable, so b and this is the b. So you want to equate the, look at all of you. You want to equate the b. You want to equate the b. So the first equation. I mean, the first equation 2 is to 3 multiplication with the this 4. Second equation multiplication with this 3. Look at all of you. The second equation multiplication with the 3. Second equation multiplication with the 3 means into 3. I mean 3 into 4, 3 into 5. Look at. Okay. 3 into 4, 3 into 5. Okay. Next. 6 is to 7. 6 is to 7 means after equating these two, we are getting ABC value. Okay. We are getting ABC value. ABC value. So C and D. Again, C is the common variable. Again, C is the common variable means by using this C, okay, 2 is to 3 is to 7. Suppose 4 is to 6. By using this 7, again the second equation is multiplication each and every term also. 4 is to 6. The second term is multiplication to 7 each and every term. This is indirect method. Okay, indirectly in your mind you have to run it. Then answer directly. Okay, then answer indirectly. The result kept in your mind. Then answer directly. 2 is to 3. You write 4 is to 5. Common number you have to write it here. For small example, everybody knows because for the lengthy question. Okay, in this lengthy, I need an answer from you. That's why I explain very slowly. Okay, now. First step 2 into 4. Okay. The second number in the first ratio. The second number in the first ratio is participated in the multiplication until end of the result. The second number in the first ratio. The second number in the first ratio is the second number in the first ratio is participated until end of the result. Okay, the second number in the ratio is okay until end of the result it participated in the multiplication. So first step okay. Second step 3 into 4. 3 into 4. Last step 3 into 5. Okay, 2 4s 8, 3 4s 12, 3 5s 15. Okay, 3 5s 15. Direct answer. Suppose lengthy, it is a lengthy. Look at here. Now observe. So 2 is to 3. Concentrate. Next question you have to tell. 2 is to 3. 4.
3 is to 4.
4 is to 5. 6 is to 7. Okay, look at all of you. First number, first step, last step always easy. First to last, remaining 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 8, it is 48. Look at all of you. First number completed. Second number, you go to the second number. The second number is participated in the multiplication until end of the result. Each and every number, each and every term is also multiplication by 3 compulsory. Look at now. First 3, next 4, next 6. Okay, 3, 4, 6. Answer is 72. Next. So 3, 4, 6 completed. Again, next 3, 5. 4 already completed. 3, 5. Next 6 again. Again 6. Okay, 3, 4, 6. Okay, but 3, 5, 6 then. Next 90. So next completed. Completed. 3, 5, 6 completed. So 3, 5, 7. So first step, last step always easy. First to last easy, middle you have to try. Okay. First to last is easy, middle you have to try on the. First to last easy, middle you have to try on the. Okay. Observe clearly. And the next question completely your work. Give me the reply. Right. Tell me the answer.
Sir, first ABCD, sir.
A.
ABCD.
Okay.
Is to
Hmm.
B square
Original. B.
B plus BC. Yes, sir.
Tell me once again.
B square కదా సార్ B into B.
నువ్వు ఒరిజినల్ గా రాయు అంటున్నా. మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసేయద్దు, మామూలుగా ఒరిజినల్ గా రాయి.
B into B.
చెప్పు.
ఎస్ సార్ B into B plus BC plus BD.
ప్లస్ ఎందుకు?
ఓకే సార్ B into C into D.
No, Pavan. 3, 4, 6. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 7. First step, last step easy. So
Yes,
here
sir.
first step, okay, here first step A, B, C, D. Okay, na? Second step,
B square plus
ప్లస్ ఎందుకు పవన్?
మళ్ళీ ఎస్ సార్ మళ్ళీ C వచ్చింది కదా B square CD సార్.
B, B, C, D.
B square CD sir.
Next C, D. Next B, B, C, D completed. So B, B completed. You come to the B, C again back C,
D
and D. So
sir.
B, C, C, D.
Next BC DD.
Yes. Okay, na. B, C, D again D. So
Next.
B, C, D, D. Last step easy. First to last always easy. First to last B, C, D, E. This is the answer, Pawan. Okay, na? Meena, you are missing one thing. Look at once, check it once again. Meena. Meghna, right answer. Meghna, here B, C, D. Okay, right answer. P, C, D. Meghna, right answer. Okay, no? Next. Proportion concept. The equality of two ratios. The equality of two ratios. The equality of two ratios is called proportion. The equality of two ratios is called proportion. A is to B is equal to C is to D. Product of the extremes is, if two ratios are equal, if two ratios are equal, if two ratios are equal, then product of, if two ratios are equal, then product of extremes is equal to product of the means. AC is equal to BD. AD is equal to BC. Okay, the equality of two ratios is called proportion. If two ratios are equal, then two ratios are in a proportion. If two ratios are equal, then condition product of extremes is equal to product of the means. Okay, here A is called first proportion. Here A is called first proportion. B is called second proportion. C is called third proportion. C is called third proportion. D is called fourth proportion. D is called fourth proportion. Okay. Here depends upon the variables. Here depends upon the variables. We are getting the answers. Depends upon the variable. Depends upon the variables. It is equal to the proportion. Depends upon the variable. We are getting the proportion. In a given question, in a given information, we have a four variables. So four proportions. Four variables. Four proportions. A, B, B. Here, number of variables only two. Okay, A written three times, B written two times, not necessary. It is depends upon number of variable. Number of variable only two. These five is called simply, there are only two proportions existing. There are only two proportions. A, B, C, 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 C. Okay, C. Here number of proportions, only three proportions. Proportions depends upon number of variables in a given equation. Proportions depends upon number of variables in a given equation. Okay, so find mean of A comma B. Okay, find mean of A comma B, which is called second proportion of AB. Third proportion of AB. Fourth proportion of ABC. Okay, what is the answer? So find second proportion. Second proportion means here A and B two numbers, but he is asking the second proportion. He asking the second proportion means there is a number. A number is existing in between the A and B. What is that number? Third proportion A, B, they are asking the third value, say X value. Fourth proportion A, B, C, what is the X value? Okay, I want second proportion, but I have only three numbers, A, X, B. By using these three numbers, by using this by using these three numbers, how to get a proportion? By using these three numbers, how to write a proportion? Okay, by using these three numbers, how to write a proportion means, first of all, you write the starting number. First of all, you write the starting number. Last, you write the last number. Middle number, anything, extract the value. Okay, first number, you have to write the first number. Second, last number. Middle number, anything also, extract the value. Extract the value. So, A is to X is equal to X is to B. This is the proportion. A first proportion, B second, third proportion, X places second, so second proportion. So product of the extremes is equal to product of the means. AX is equal AB is equal to X square. So X is equal to root AB. So mean geometric mean we are using. Mean of the AB means root AB. Okay, root AB. This is the proof. Third proportion of ABX. Third proportion. First of all, write A. Last one is X. Middle, extract the value. So B and B. Product of the extreme, product of the means. AX is equal to B square. So X is equal to B square by A. X is equal to B square by A. Fourth proportion. Fourth proportion of, I want a fourth value. A and last X. Middle, B, C is to X. Product of extremes, product of means. AX is equal to BC. Then X is equal to BC by A. X is equal to BC by A. Okay, friends, completed. Up to now, only basic concepts of the ratio and proportion, friends. Up to now, only basic concepts of the ratio and proportion. Okay, in our examination, in our anywhere also, same questions are repeated means no. This is only concept. Up to now, only concept only. If you are perfect in concept, there is no difficulty. Any question easy. You can observe general wise. Okay, you can check in general ways only. Ratio, what is the ratio? The relation between the two similar quantities is called ratio. A is to B. Okay, A is to B. A is called antecedent to, B is called consequent to. So duplicate ratio, subduplicate ratio until inverse ratio. Next to compound ratio. Next to mixed ratio. I mean same compound ratio. Next to proportion concept. What is proportion? The equality of two ratios is called proportion. If two ratios are equal, then condition is product of extremes, product of the means. Proportions depends upon the number of variables in a given equation. So find the second proportion of AB, root AB. Third proportion of AB, so B squared by A. Fourth proportion, BC by A. Bus. This is in your mind. Okay. Remaining everything also examples now. Okay. Remaining everything also examples. Note. Okay. Note. One shortcut. One note. Tell me. 50 letters of quantity having. Okay, example start. 50 letters of quantity having. 50 letters of quantity having milk and water. There is milk and water ratio is milk and water ratio is 3:2. There is milk and water ratio is 3:2. Okay, how many liters of water? How many liters of water added to the given mixture? How many liters of water added to the given mixture? Then mixture will be 2:3 ratio. Okay, then mixture will be 2:3 ratio. Then mixture will be 2:3. 50 liters of quantity having milk and water. 50 liters of quantity having milk and water. There is a milk and water ratio 3:2. How many liters of water added to the given mixture? Then mixture will be 2:3. This is the problem, friends. Initially, milk and water, what is the ratio? Initially, milk and water, what is the ratio? 3:2. 3:2 meaning milk 3 parts, water 2 parts. Milk 3 parts, water 2 parts means after some time, some quantity of water added to the given mixture. Some quantity of water. Some quantity of water means how much? Pata nahi. We don't know. Malum nahi. Guttilla. Okay. Some quantity of water added to the given mixture. Then mixture will be changed. Okay. Then mixture will be changed. In that new mixture, milk and water ratio 2:3. So how much quantity of milk? How much quantity of water added? This is the problem. Anyone give me the reply? Anyone, if you know the answer, tell me.
That is inverse ratio, sir. Actually, అది ఎలా అనుకుంటాం?
Everybody, first of all, are you getting the question, Pawan? Question అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Advance.
చెప్పు, క్వశ్చన్ ఏమైంది? అర్థమైంది.
50 liters of quantity of having milk and water, sir. టోటల్ 50 లీటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అందులో ఏంటంటే మిల్క్ అండ్ వాటర్ రేషియో వచ్చేసి 3:2 ఉంది. బట్ కొంచెం వాటర్ యాడ్ చేశాక ఆ రేషియో అనేది 2:3 అయింది. ఎంత వాటర్ యాడ్ చేస్తే ఆ రేషియో 2:3 మారిగా 2:3 అయిందో చెప్పమన్నారు సార్.
Saif, right answer, Saif. Meena, 1 second, check Meena, 1 second. 1 second, check Meena. Girija, are you getting the concept? Girija. Are you getting this question concept?
Not exactly, sir.
Sir, కానీ అంటుంది క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైందా?
Question అర్థమైంది, sir.
Okay, friends. Suppose the same question is repeated in your job point of view. Okay, job point of view, not a gate point of view. Suppose the same question repeated in the government job point of any campus placement like this anywhere also. First original method I will explain. Total 50 liters, sir. I wanted to calculate the milk quantity. What is the milk quantity in the 50? What is the milk quantity in the 50 means? How to write it? Yes, 3/5 into 50, that is equal to 30 liter. Water quantity 2/5 into 50, that is 20. So this is initial quantity. So okay, now these are called initial quantity. After some time, some quantity of water added. Some quantity, matlab I don't know. Some quantity of water added. After adding the water, ratio is already given 2:3. Okay, so you can add the water. Okay, after adding the water. After adding the water, new ratio. So initially milk 30 liters. Is there any change in the milk? No. Milk any change? Is there any change in the milk? It is a
No, sir.
Water. Initially, what is the water?
20 plus
Some quantity of water added. Some quantity of water added means how much quantity added?
X, sir.
So this is the new ratio. Okay, this is the new ratio. After adding the water, this is the new ratio. But after adding the water, ratio is already given. So ratio is already given. What is the ratio?
2:3.
So two ratios equal. Product of extremes, product of the means. So 90 is equal to 40 plus 2x. So for 2x is equal to 50, then x is equal to 25. Okay, then x is equal to 25. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 25 liters of water added to the given mixture, then mixture will be 2:3 ratio. This is the problem, friends. This is original method. Everybody knows. Okay, shortcut. Second example, your work. Second example, your work. You have to tell the answer. Okay, second work by using our shortcut, just 30 seconds. Initially, you have to calculate the individual quantity. Initially, what is the milk and water? Do you know already this point? Okay. Okay. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
What is the requirement ratio?
2:3.
2:3. This is the requirement ratio. Okay. In the new ratio, after adding the water, the new ratio is 2:3. But in new ratio and old ratio, what is the common variable? What is the common variable? Milk is the common. Milk is the common variable. Okay, now milk is 30 liters to 30 liters. Is it okay? Constant quantity. What is the common quantity? Milk is the common quantity. Milk is the common quantity means so first time and 30 also, second time is also 30. That's the reason the new ratio multiplication with the 15 left side. 15 2s are 30. Right side also multiplication with 15. 15 3 is 45. So the difference is 25. Direct answer completed. Once again, I will explain. Okay, first step, you have to write the original quantity. Okay, here I have to write the original quantity. Second step, write the new ratio. Second step, write the new ratio. Okay, here what is the equal quantity first time and second time? Milk is the equal quantity. So you have to equalate the milk. So you have to equalate the milk means left side multiplication with 15, then you are getting the equal quantity of the milk. So left side multiplication with the 15, right side is also multiplication with 15. Then you are getting the answer. Got it, all of you? Girish got it? Pawan got it?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the answer. Okay, use the shortcut within the 1 minute. Tell me, then I feel very happy. Tell me the answer faster. Time completed 1 minute.
60.
Are you
60
friend?
letters.
So total 60. Total 60 means 2:1, 40 and 20. So requirement 1:2. Water, milk same. Milk same means okay. Milk is the same means multiplication 40 and red should also 40. So it is a 40. It is a 80. Gap 60. So answer 60. The answer. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, man. Right answer, Meghna. Next. This is one type of concept. Now come to the material concept, material questions. And we have total 15 questions. I will explain 8 questions, remaining you try. Okay. First gate question. Gate question very, very easy. Use the calculator. First gate questions. Use the calci. Pawan, use the calci. Give me the reply to me. Okay, ratio and delegation, ratio concept and delegation mixture. Okay, we have by hitting the formulas. Okay, number of times practice not necessary. If you are perfect in the concept, any question is easy. If you are perfect in the concept, any question is easy. Just logical thinking, general questions only. You don't know anything means you take a x already know. Okay, you don't know anything means you take x. Okay, Giriza, if you don't mind, okay, read the question and information. Give me the information and solve.
The ratio of number of boys, girls who participated in a examination is 4:3.
So 4:3 means, okay, immediately you can take 4x, you can take 3x. It is immediately I can take x value 10. Any number, your wish. Okay, you select any number also, your wish, not a problem. Okay, suppose I take x is equal to 10. Let x is equal to 10. So boys 40 and girls 30. Okay, then.
The total percentage of candidates who passed the examination is 80.
Total 70 members. So out of the 70, 80% passed. 80% passed means 56 members passed. Okay, next.
And the percentage of girls who passed is 90.
Anywhere also 90% girls. Okay, so actually girls 30. 90% passed. 90% passed means total 27 people passed. 27 girls passed. Okay. Overall, the passing students, how many? Giriza? Total passing students are 56.
56.
Out of the 56, 27 only girls only. Okay. 56 minus 27. Then answer 29. These 29 belongs to the boys. What is the boys percentage? So boys percentage is equal to 29. Total boys 40 into 100. Okay. Simplify. Tell me the answer. Pawan, tell me. Pawan, tell me. Use calci. Tell me the answer.
72.5%.
Excellent. So 72.5% direct answer. You are getting answer. 2 marks in gate examination. Okay, gate point of view question very easy, friends. Okay, practice purpose we solved number of questions, but gate point of view very easy. Ratio and proportion, allegation and mixture one set. In a ratio proportion, first half an hour feeling bored actually I felt. Okay, not here anywhere, any batch also. First half an hour we have to discuss in concepts only. Examples easy, very easy. Examples easy and interesting. Okay, but concept duplicate ratio, subduplicate, subtriplicate, compound ratio, mixed ratio. Okay, proportion concept until the proportion concept only basics, but we have to discuss in class compulsory. Okay, without the basics impossible. That half an hour, remaining half an hour examples, gate questions and looking easy. So the present question 4:3. 4:3 means you don't know the value, you take 4x, 3x. 4x, 3x means x you take any number. Aapka issue. Okay, koi problem nahi. I take x is equal to 10, it becomes 70. It becomes 70 means in that exam out of the 70, 80% of the students passed. That is 56. But out of that, 90% of girls passed. Anywhere else, 90% passed. So answer 27 girls passed. Okay, then remaining people is 29. The 29 belongs to boys. What is the boys percentage? 72.5 we are getting. Got it, all of you friends? Next. Okay, gate question. You can observe 2 marks. You are getting 2 marks. Calci compulsory. Use calci.
Yes, sir.
Next gate problem. Giriza, read the question carefully and line by line, word by word, you can concentrate and read.
The number of hens, ducks, goats in form P are
Okay. Form P. This is form P. Hen, duck, goat. 65, 91, 169. Okay. In a farm P, there is one farm in villages and city where anywhere also farm means same meaning. In the farm, so we have a 65 hens, codlu, okay, bathlu, okay, 91 ducks, 169 goat macam. The total number of hens, ducks, and goats in a nearby another farm. Tell me.
1416.
So total given. Total is given. Okay, total is given. Okay, next. Next
The ratio of hens, ducks, goats in form Q is 5:14:13.
Okay, so in the form Q, what is the ducks? What is the hens? What is the hen meaning? How to calculate 5 by, okay, 5 by 14, next 14, 5, 19, 19, 22, 32 into 416. So what is the hens? What is the hens? Okay, so what is the hens in a form Q? Pawan, tell me.
Yes, sir. 65, sir. Already calculated.
65. Okay. So hen is 65. Next, duck.
182, sir.
Goat.
169, sir.
Okay, now calculate all of you. In the form Q, okay, Giriza observe. In the form P, hens, ducks, goats, we know the number. Now form Q also we are getting the number. 65,
182.
182. Next 169. Add all the value. So what is the all the hens, ducks, goats are sent from the form Q to form P. The new ratio of the hens, ducks, goats. So what is the answer here? It is 65. Okay, 65. So 130. I mean 2 into 65 because ratio. Next I will help to you. 91 into 3. 169 into 2. Okay, 169 into 2. 169 into 2. So there 13 5s. 13 7s. 13 13s. So 10 is to 21 is to 26. 10 is to 21 is to 26. So answer B is the right answer. Okay, no? There is no difficulty. Gate question. Okay, last year gate question. 21 gate question. There is no difficulty, but calculation time taken. Next, one more gate question. My work with this problem. Just to read the question information. My work only. Okay.
Two alloys A and B contain gold, copper in the ratio of 2:3 and 3:7 by mass respectively.
Okay. By mass means what is the meaning? There is a mass meaning.
What
Weight.
quantity? Weight.
Weight. So mass, weight means weight. So first alloy having 2:3. Second alloy having 3:7. So generally 2:3 means total how many parts? Generally 2:3 means total how many parts?
5.
So 3:7 means
10.
10. But they mentioned here the equal masses of alloys. The equal masses of alloy. The equal masses of alloy meaning first alloy having 5 kg, you can assume as a kg. So first alloy having 5 kg, second alloy having 10 kg. It is not a equal masses mixing. Okay. It is not a equal masses mixing. Okay. So it is not equal masses mixing. But they mentioned the equal masses of alloy A and B are melted to make a new alloy C. To make an LOC, the ratio of the gold and copper to an LOC is, that is the question. Okay, I want to mix the equal LOC. I want to mix the equal LOC means the first LO take 2 times. The first LO take 2 times 4x and 3x, 4x and 6x. So second alloy is same 3x and 7x only. Okay, 7x only. So gold to gold, this is gold, this is copper. Gold and copper. So gold to gold addition, copper to copper addition. Gold to gold addition means 7x, copper to copper means 13x. X same, 7:13 is the answer. Directly we got to answer. Once again, I will explain. The equal quantity means, suppose you had a 40 kg, I have only 5 kg stone. I have only 5 kg stone. We had a 40 kg stone. Okay. I want equal quantity. I want equal quantity means I have only 5 kg stone. You have 40 kg stone. So you're using 40 kg. I'm using 5 kg. Impossible. I have only 5 kg stones only. So how many stones I taken? It is like this. 8 stones. So 8 into 5 kg. 8 into 5 kg means I'm getting 40 kg and 40 kg. 40 and 40. So these are called equal masses. Are you getting now, Girija?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే ఐ వాంట్ ఈక్వల్ క్వాంటిటీ అంటే మీనింగ్ నాకు ఈక్వల్ గా ఉండే క్వాంటిటీస్ తీసుకోవాలి సో ఒకటి ఎక్కువ ఒకటి తక్కువ తీసుకోవద్దు అనమాట ఓకేనా ఓకే హియర్ ఫ్రమ్ లాస్ట్ 1 day 2 days you are asking CRP questions. 1 second, all of you observe. I'll explain the CRP questions, not explain, uploaded. Okay, friends. Just now one person send the message. Are you okay? Are you okay? Anonymous attendance, okay, na? Okay. Next. Equal quantity means equal, we have to take equal. Suppose Girija, this is the 40 liters of the milk we had. Okay, we have 40 liters of the milk. But in your home only, only 5 liter bowls only. Okay, you have a shop. Okay, you have a shop. 5 liter bowl, 5 liter bowl, 5 liter bowl, 5 liter bowl. There is a function. They ordered the equal quantity. For you also ordered 40 liters. So for he is also ordered 40 liters. Here directly 40 liters. Directly bring the 40 liters. But you had only 5 liter, 5 liter, 5 liter, 5 liter. But we have to equal quantity. Equal quantity means you take 8 balls and give it to him. So we are getting same 40 and 40. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, I want equal quantity. So x. Okay, x. Weight, you can take x kg. So x kg. So 7x and 13x. Again, x cancel. The new ratio is the 7:13. Answer completed. Next, we have one more great question. That is your work, not now. Next, I will explain remaining 3-4 questions. Okay. This page. Easy questions, tell me. Up to 734 until 755, same concept only. 755, same concept. Give me the reply. From the 8 to 9, allegation and mixture concept. So today 2 topics. Tomorrow percentage profit loss. Okay. Next simple interest concept and remaining third day. Okay, fourth day and fifth day. We have one, 3, 4 classes, I think. Lecture, senior. Percentage profit and loss tomorrow. Percentage simple interest, compound interest, and the topic. Okay, next. The total number of boys and girls in a class is 70. Which of the following is cannot represent? Cannot represent means master. Total 70. We need a 70. So cannot represent the ratio. 1:4 means 70 is a possible. Right answer. 4:3 possible. 1:3 possible. 1:3 not a possible for 70 purpose. Okay, for the 70. I need a total 70. I need a total 70 means 1:3, total 4 parts. 4 parts 70, it is impossible. Remaining everything is also possible. Next. Give me the reply. Here is a tell me, Cheppandi. Question చదవడం కదా ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి చేసి. A/D అడిగాడంటే ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ లాస్ట్ నెంబర్ అడిగినట్టు అనమాట. సో ఫస్ట్ లాస్ట్ కావాలంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా మనం చేసేయచ్చు. ఫస్ట్ లాస్ట్ హీస్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఫస్ట్ లాస్ట్ మీన్స్ డైరెక్ట్ వి ఆర్ సాల్వింగ్. 8:15.
15 into 8 into
15 into 8
into 5. Yes, sir.
8:15. 5 into 8. 4:5. Then answer 8 into 5 into 4. 15 into 8 into 5. Okay. So 8 to 8 cancel. 5 to 5 cancel. Then answer 4:15. Direct answer. Okay, they're asking A/D. They're asking A/D means first number, last number. That's why middle is not necessary. First means these two numbers, the even number product, last numbers product. Okay, answer directly 4:15. Okay, now next. An amount 2430, an amount 2430 is divided among the ABC. The amount 2430, okay, the amount 2430 divided among ABC such that means kaise, such that ela, isiliye, okay, such that if their shares be reduced by 5 rupee, 10 rupee, 15 rupee respectively, the remainder, this word very important, actually amount 2430, actually amount 2430, out of 2430, A reduced 5 rupee, B reduced 10 rupee, C reduced 15 rupee. After reducing these three amounts, the remaining amount is 2400. This remainder amount, okay, the remainder shall be in the ratio A/B/C they given. 3:4:5. 3:4:5. Then base share was means originally. So what is the base share? Actually, base share is equal to 4/12 into 2400. That is equal to 800. But was base share was, I mean original. Base share was is equal to 800 plus 10. Then answer 810 rupees. Okay, answer 810 rupees. An amount 2430 divided, an amount 2430 divided among the ABC such that if the shares be reduced 5 rupee, 10 rupee, 10 rupee, the remainders shall be in the ratio they given. Okay, friends. Okay, no? Next. Try to solve this problem. "60 kgs of an alloy A is mixed with the 100 kg of the alloy." So 60 is mixed with the 100 means total how many kg, Kirisa? 60 kgs of an alloy.
160.
Yes. In the 160, what is the new quantity of the tin? That is the question. Okay. First of all, in the 60 actually, in the 60, lead and tin 3:2. In the 60. In the 60, lead and tin 3:2. So tin quantity. So tin quantity 2/5 into 60, that is equal to 24. Okay, in the here. In 100 kg, 1:4. Tin and copper. Tin and copper. So tin quantity 1/5 into 100. So that is equal to 20 kg. Alloy A contain 24 kg, alloy B contain 20 kg. After mixing tin quantity, how many kg means 24 plus 20, that is equal to 44 kg. Completed answer. Okay. No? Saif, right answer. Okay. 44 right answer. 810 is also right answer. Here B is also right answer. Okay. Nice. Saif. D is also 4. I given 4 questions. So 4 also you are solved. Nice. Anita, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
సార్
చెప్పు పవన్.
సార్ ఇందాక గోల్డ్ అండ్ కాపర్ లో ఒక మోడల్ లో చేశాం కదా సార్,
అవును.
అలా చేయకూడదు దీన్ని.
అక్కడ ఏమన్నాడంటే అక్కడ క్వాంటిటీస్ ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి యూ కెన్ టేక్ ద ఈక్వల్ క్వాంటిటీ అని మెన్షన్ చేశాడు. ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ క్వాంటిటీస్ ఇచ్చేసాడు కదా, ఆ రెండే మిక్స్ చేయండి అని అన్నాడు. ఓకేనా? అక్కడ ద ఈక్వల్ క్వాంటిటీ తీసుకొని కలపండి, మిక్స్ చేయండి అన్నాడు. ఇక్కడ ద ఈక్వల్ క్వాంటిటీ ఇవ్వకుండా ఈ రెండు మిక్స్ చేసామన్నాడు. 60 kg of an alloy A is mixed with 100 kg of an alloy. So 60 is mixed with 100 means we are getting 160 kg. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
Okay, friends, remaining another 2 questions only. We have another 2 questions, sir. 6 completed, 18 is 3 also completed. Okay, my work only. Seats for mathematics, physics, biology. Okay, seats for mathematics. So seats for mathematics, physics, biology. Mathematics 5:7:8. 5:7:8. I don't know the number. I don't know the number means you can use any number. You can ratio will not be changed. Ratio will not be changed until you can take any number. Okay, x, y, 10, 4, 6, 4, anything also, but ratio will not be changed. Don't change the ratio. Okay, so you take the 5x, 7x and 8x. So x become I take 100. X become I take 100 means 500, 700, 800. Okay, 500, 700, 800. 500, 700, 800. 500, 700, 800. Okay, 800. So maths increased by the 40%. Maths increased by the 40% means in a 500, 40% increased. After increasing the 40%, it becomes 700. Okay, it becomes 700. In a 500, 40% means what is the answer, master? 200. Okay, in a 700, 50% increased. 50% increased means 350. So then answer 1050. Next, here 75% increased. 75. 75 means 3 parts. 3 parts meaning 600. So then answer 1400. Okay, the new values. New values. Simplify. Okay, simplify, got it. Answer 0, 0, 0. 35 twos, 35 threes, 35 fours. 2:3:4 is the answer. Completed. In case you don't know this point, time taken. Okay. Anything also, once you are observed or once you are visited, then anything is it. Without visiting, impossible. Suppose some people staying in a village, so okay, they are discussing about the Charminar staying in Hyderabad, the Taj Mahal in Agra, Delhi, and we are discussing the name wise. They're not getting the properly. Suppose once you can bring the from village to any cities and we show the Charminar and any other things, easily they can identify. In the same way, okay. Once we know the topic, then second time the same question is repeated very easy. Without knowing the concept, impossible. Next, last question, friends. Last problem. Okay. In a bag, there are some coins, 75 paisa, 10 paisa, 5 paisa coin. Coins ratio given, if the amount is given, coins ratio amount is given means impossible. Coins ratio, total coins means easy concept. Coins ratio, okay, coins ratio amount means impossible. Okay, Girija once come to there, Girija.
Yes, sir.
You have a 1 rupee coin and 5 rupee coins only. Okay, now suppose in your hand 1 rupee coin, 5 rupee coins only. Total you have 50 coins, Girija. Total you have 50 coins. Out of the 50 coins, ratio 4:1. Ratio 4:1. What is the meaning of the 4:1? 1 rupee coin, how many coins?
4 coins.
4 parts. Okay, 5 rupee coins.
1.
1. So total 50. Total 50 means in the 50, 4 parts. In the 54 parts means what is the answer? 40. Here 1 part means 10. 40:10. This is easy problem. Because the coins ratio is also given, total coins also given, which is easy. But here question of coins ratio given, but amount is given. So 1 rupee coin of 4, 1 rupee coin 4, 5 rupee coin 1, but we had a 50 rupees. We had a 50 rupee. In the 50, how many 1 rupee coin? It is impossible. Amount is given 50. How many 1 rupee coins means you don't know. Okay. Then answer. Coins ratio is equal to 1:2:3. Coins ratio, okay, now coins ratio change into the amount ratio. Coins ratio change into amount ratio. 20 paisa coin, 1 coin. So amount 25 paisa. 1 into 25 paisa is to 2 into 10 paisa. So 3 into 5 paisa. So 25 paisa and 20 paisa and 15 paisa. So paisa cancel. 5 5s, 5 4s, 5 3s. Okay, 5 3s. This is the amount ratio. This is amount ratio. Total amount 30 rupees. 30 rupees means 30 into 1000. 30 into 100. 3000 paisa. I'm converting into the paisa. Okay, paisa. So I want to 5 paisa coins. This is amount. This is amount. This is amount ratio. This is amount. So first we are getting the individual amount. Next coins we are getting individual amount. 5 paisa individual amount. That 5 paisa individual amount ratio. Amount. So amount 5 paisa 3 in by total 12 into 3000. Simplify, tell me, Pavan. Tell me, Pavan.
4500.
750 paisa.
Paisa.
750 paisa means, so how many 5 paisa coins? Each coin worth 5 paisa. So 150 coins we are getting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Completed, friends. We left 5 questions already. I said 15 out of the 15, 5 questions your work. Okay, 5 problems your work. Check the time, same 750. Okay, now 3 times 3 minutes extra. Do you have any doubt? Once ask me. Shambhavi, any doubt? Shambhavi?
No doubt, sir.
Anita, any doubt? Girija, any doubt? Pavan, any doubt? Sai Charit, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Saif, okay. Saif. I'll give one more question based on the coins because for clarity, then you got 100% perfection. A bag contain 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee coins. And their ratio 3:2:1. Bag contain 90 coins. Find number of individual coins. And also find their individual, find the number of individual coins and also find their individual amounts. Their individual amount. So coins ratio is equal to 3:2:1. Total coins 90 coins. Total coins ratio is also there. Total coins also there. Coins ratio is also there. Total coins also there. Coins ratio is also there. Total coins is also there. So first of all, we are getting individual coins. बाद में amount आएगा. Okay. पहले we are getting the coins. बाद में amount आएगा. Okay. First individual coin आमले amount आएगा. Okay. So individual coins and amount. So next 1 rupee coins. 1 rupee coins, what is the ratio? 3 ratios. 3/6 into 90. That is equal to 45 coins. 1 rupee coins, 45 coins. 1 rupee coin, 45 coins means 45 into 1 rupee. That is equal to 45 rupees. So 2 rupee coins, 2 ratios, 2 shades, 6 into 90. Then answer 30 coins. So 30 into amount of 2, that is equal to 60 rupee. So 5 rupee coins, 1/6 into 90, that is equal to 15 coins. 15 into 5 rupee, that is equal to 75 rupees. Okay, coins ratio and total coins given. So first we are getting the individual coins, बाद में amount आएगा. Now any doubt ask me once, all of you friends. Any doubt ask me. If you say okay, I'm going to the. Okay, I'm
No
going
doubt,
to.
sir.
Okay. Thank you. Next. Allegation and mixture. In gate examination 3 times, so that concept. Only theory 15 minutes. If you are perfect in that, if you are perfect in these 15 minutes, 2 models easy. Again last model, again theory 10 minutes. So theory 20 to 25 minutes. Concept 8 questions. We have total 10 questions in the material. Out of the 10 we discussed 8. Bus over. Okay, now completed. I'm asking the concept here, allegation and mixture. Allegation and mixture. Allegation and mixture. Okay, once recall everything yourself. After that, I'm asking you. Fresh mind. First 10 minutes only. First 10 minutes, very, 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 very important. If you are perfect in starting 10 minutes, allegation is over. And we have last model. Okay, in the last model, last 10 minutes. Okay, last but 10 minutes. For every topic also, friends, actually, okay, for every topic, I'm taking the same questions. Look at here. Same questions. I'm typing separately. I mean, copy and paste properly. I paste everything also. Same questions. Same questions. Okay. Suppose I explain this same pattern. Same pattern. You are missing the material questions. That's why I'm showing the material also. Okay, now completed. Okay, listen all of you. Girija, Pavan, Shambhavi, Anita, okay, Saif, okay, give me the replace friends. First 10 to 15 minutes enough. Okay, only 10 minutes enough. Allegation, meaning creation. Blindly in our methodology, allegation meaning creation. Mixture, we know mixing anywhere also. Okay, mixing. Okay, just for fun. No? Okay, mixing everybody knows, boys. Okay, allegation means creation. Suppose Pavan. Okay, Pavan.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you are studying in your college. Okay, you are going to the daily college. You are studying. You are getting the first rank. You are doing some anything also, whatever it may be. Okay, you are doing anything. Okay, that's why your friends created rumors on you, allegation on you. They created allegation on you. Allegation means they creation. Okay, allegation means they creation. Suppose one mistake is done, it is not by you, but generally they're getting the allegation on you. Okay, management or your friends, so they created an allegation on you. Okay, allegation on you means creation, simply logic. Allegation meaning creation. Okay, Pavan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you understand the point? Allegations, we are getting number of allegations on him, number of allegations, we are getting everything also. Okay, means allegation means simply logical creation, our blind method. Okay, creation. Mixing means mixing anything also. Okay, mixing anything also. Mixing anything also. Now, what is the concept here? Friends, all of you observe. Where all of you observe. Here, Girija and Anita best friends. Okay, friends, all of you observe. Girija and Anita best friends and roommates in education time. Okay, in education time, roommates. Okay, roommates means education means not in a college time, in a software course, any government job preparation, any gate preparation. At the time, they are roommates, housemates. So Girija and Anita, this is my shop. All of you observe, this is my shop. Okay, my shop. My kirana shop. Okay. A wholesale, my shop. Okay. Girija and Anita both are best friends. Both are best friends. Okay. Girija came to my shop and she asked 1 kg rice. Regularly, she taken only 1 kg rice. So she taken 1 kg rice. So 1 kg cost 30 rupees. I sold at 30 rupees. I sold at 30 rupees. Anita immediately came to my shop and regularly. First Girija, after that Anita. Anita came to my shop and she asked 1 kg rice. She purchased 20 rupee rice. Okay, she purchased 20 rupee rice. Girija purchasing 30 rupee rice. Anita purchasing 20 rupee rice. So 30 and 20, there is a variation. Okay, there is a variation. Okay, they are best friends, roommates, housemates, everything. So, but she purchased 30 rupee rice, Anita purchased 20 rupee rice. Okay, 20 rupee rice. All of you observe. There is a variation, but I'm suffering. Okay, I felt sad. That's the reason. That's the reason I want equality for their friendship. I want equality for their friendship. Got it, all of you? All of you concentrate. Point started. Girija purchased 30 rupee rice. Anita purchased 20 rupee rice. Okay, Girija purchased 1 kilo 30 rupee rice. Anita purchased 1 kilo 20 rupee rice. Okay, there is a variation. Okay, in the rice. I observed everything also. They are best friends, roommates, everything also. But there is a variation in the rice. That's the reason I'm thinking in my mind. I want equality, their friendship. I want equality, the rice. Okay, I want equality. I don't need a profit. I don't need a loss. But I want to equality. Okay, I want equality for their friendship. That's the reason. All of you concentrate, friends. She taken 1 kg rice. Already I know. Anita also taken 1 kg rice. Already I know. That's the reason. This 1 kg rice, this 1 kg rice, I am mixing in a new bowl. Okay, I'm mixing in a new bowl. I'm mixing in a new bowl. So in the new bowl having total how many kgs? 2 kg. Total how many kgs? 2 kg in the new bowl. Okay. So what is the worth actually? Worth. So 30 and 20. 30 and 20 means 1 kg 30, second kg 20. So 30 and 20 means worth 50 rupees. So 2 kg is equal to 50 rupees. Okay. 2 kg worth. So this is complete worth 2 kg. This complete amount is 50 rupees. Okay. 2 kg 50 rupees. Now Girija came to my shop. And she asked the kilo rice. She asked the kilo rice means I don't have a rices. I don't have a different rices. I have only one type of rice. Each kilo 25. Each kilo I said 25. So 2 kg 50 rupee means 1 kg cost 25 rupee. Each kilo 25. Okay. She said okay. Then she taken 25 rupee. She taken 1 kg 25 rupee. Immediately Anita came to my shop. We have only one type of rice that she is also purchased 25 rupee. 25 and 25. There is a equal quantity now. Okay, there is a equal quantity now. This is called mixture concept, allegation and mixture concept. Are you getting my point now, all of you? Are you understanding the concept clearly? What is allegation and what is mixture? Allegation and mixture meaning? Allegation means created the new race. So she taken 25 rupee, she taken also 25. 25 and 25, again I'm getting how much rupee? Again I'm getting how much rupee with respect to me? 50 rupee. Individually 30 and 20, again I'm getting same 50 rupee. Okay. I sold at each kg 25 rupee, again I'm getting same 50 rupees. As a shopkeeper, I don't need a loss, I don't need a profit. Okay. Okay, I equate their friendship, but with respect to myself, okay, with respect to myself, I don't need a loss, I don't need a profit. Okay, so 30 and 20, again I'm getting same 50 rupee only. In loss avaledu. Okay, na వాళ్ళని ఈక్వల్ చేశాం కానీ మనం లాస్ అయిపోలేదు. యాజ్ ఎ షాప్ కీపర్ గా మనం లాస్ అవ్వలేదు. Okay, I sold at each kilo 25 and 25, again I'm getting the same 50 rupee. This 25 rupee is called average price, mean price. This is called mean price. Okay, now again I will explain. Okay, 10 minutes, friends. 10 minutes. Another 6 minutes introduction only. If you are perfect the introduction, then question easy. If you are confused in the introduction, wrong. One second. Okay. Okay, all of you. Here, Girija, okay, Girija, Shambhavi, Anita, three friends. Girija, okay, Girija, she purchased 2 kg rice. Anita purchased 3 kg rice. Shambhavi purchased 5 kg rice. Okay, each kilo cost 20 rupee. Here each kilo cost 10 rupee. Each kilo cost 40 rupee. Okay, so Shambhavi purchased 5 kg. Each kilo cost 40 rupee. Okay, each kilo cost 40 rupee. All of you concentrate, friends. Last point. All of you concentrate. All of you. 2 kg, 3 kg, 5 kg, 20, 30, 20 rupee and 10 rupee and 40 rupee. Girija purchased 2 kg, each kilo 20. Each kilo 20 means how much amount? 40. I received 40 rupees from you, Girija. Anita purchased 3 kg, each kilo 10 rupee. So I am received 30 rupees from the Anita. So 5 kg, 200 I received. Okay, 200. Overall, I receiving how much here? 270 rupees from 3 members. From the 3 members. Okay, from the 3 members. But there is a variation. I want equality. Each kg also you have to purchase equal rates only. That's why. So already I know the concept. That's why you taken 2 kg, you taken another 3 kg, 5 kg. These kgs everything mixing. After mixing, the bowl contain how many kgs? 10 kg. Okay, so these 10 kg worth is equal to 270. Okay, after mixing these 10 kg worth is equal to 27 rupee. I sold at each kg 270 by 10. 270 by 10. I sold at each kg 270 by 10. I'm getting 27 rupee. I'm getting 27 rupee. Okay, now I'm getting 27 rupee. Okay, now. So each kg. So Girija purchased 2 kg, each kilo 27, 27. Anita purchased 3 kg, each kilo 27, 27, 27. So here Shambhavi purchased 5 kg, 27, 27, 27, 27. Okay, this 27 is called, this 27 name is called average price, mean price. Okay, the average price or mean price. Completed, friends. Okay, a shopkeeper sold at the mean price. A shopkeeper sold at mean price. There is no loss, there is no gain as a shopkeeper. Okay, now completed. Okay, wait 1 second. Okay, friends, observe all of you. Allegation. Allegation means we are creating. Okay. So rule of allegation given as ratio in which two quantities, one at lower place, another one at highest place. I want to equate the rule. Here, very important word. What is the word important? Very important word is mean price. Okay, mean price. Mean price. So what is the meaning of the mean price? Okay, what is the meaning of the mean price? Suppose friends, you can take a 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg, 40 kg, anything also. Okay, add all the kgs. Add all the kgs. Add all the kgs. So after that, we had called after each and every kg. After that, each and every kg, add everything also. After that, each kilo cost is called mean price. Previously, we discussed 2 kg, 3 kg, 5 kg, add all the kg. 10 kg is equal to 270. Each kg 27. That 27 is called mean price. As a definition, okay, the cost price of unit quantity of the mixture is called mean price. The cost price of unit quantity of the mixture. The cost price of the unit quantity of the mixture is called mean price. The cost price of unit quantity of the mixture. The cost price of the unit quantity of the mixture is called mean price. The cost price of the unit quantity of the mixture is called mean price. Okay, this is very important. Very important concept. Okay, very important. Okay, what is mean price means? The cost price of the unit quantity of the mixture is called mean price. The cost price of the unit quantity of the mixture is called mean price. Okay, the cost price of the unit quantity of the mixture is called mean price. Okay, no? So type 1. Allegation rule. Allegation rule. Okay, no. One type of rice A rupee. One type of rice A rupee. Second type of rice B rupee. Clearly observe the question. One type of rice each kilo A rupee. Second type of the rice each kilo B rupee. After mixing, both are mixing. In which ratio not mentioned. Okay, both are mixing in which ratio not mentioned. After mixing, okay, after mixing, the new ratio. After mixing in some ratio, the new mixture, the cost of the mixture is, okay, the mean price of the mixture is C rupee. C rupee. After mixing each kilo C rupee, the cost price of the mixture, okay, mean price of the mixture is C rupee. So in which ratio you are mixing? That is the problem. Are you getting my point now? So one type of rice A rupee, second type of rice B rupee. After mixing, the mixture cost is a C rupee. In which ratio you are mixing, then you are getting a C rupee. That is the concept. Then answer in which ratio you are mixing means then answer B minus C is to 1 is direct, second one is ulta. Okay, second one is ulta. So C minus A. If you are mixing in this ratio, the cost price of the mixture is C rupee. Okay, if you are mixing in this ratio, cost price of the mixture is C rupee. Some people doubt to, okay, not only like this, some people doubt to, suppose I mix it like this. First I do A minus C, second I do C minus B. I'm doing like this. Not a problem, master. Not a problem. One is directly, second one is ulta. Okay, one is direct, second one is ulta. One is direct, second one is ulta. Then it is a satisfied. And one more point. This allegation, this is called cross method. This cross method is accepted only for the two items only. Okay, this cross method is accepted only for two items only. Suppose 3 items, 5 items, 4 items, 10 items mixing. After the mixing, what is the each kilo cost? After mixing, what is the each kilo cost means they are applying compulsory general method only. We have to apply general method only. Okay, we have to apply general method only. Allegation is the one of the method for the solution, but allegation is not only method for the solution. Okay, ఇది ఒక method అంతే తప్ప ఇల్లునే చెయ్యాలని కాదు. Okay, we need answer. Okay, way not a necessary. Okay, the way we have to success not a necessary. Okay, but approach is this is one of the approach. Allegation is the one of the approach only. Okay, this rule for 2 items mixing directly we are getting 3 items, 4 items, 5 items, 10 items means compulsory general method only you can follow. Okay, compulsory general method you can follow. Okay, friends, completed, friends. You check the time, exactly 15 minutes. Introduction. From based on the type 1, we have a 3 questions. Based on the type 2, we have another 2 questions. Plus. Okay, type 1. Look at. Same questions are already typing completed, but for your clarity, I'm showing the material. My work only, my work. You don't do anything also, my work only. For me, read the question enough for me. Okay, read the question enough for me. Giriza, read the problem. Slowly, and you can understand yourself and read the question by line, word by word. Tell me, Giriza.
The cost of type 1 rice is
Hmm.
15 rupees per kg,
Okay,
and type 2 rice is
okay,
20 rupees per kg.
okay.
If both type 1 and type 2 are mixed in the rate of 2 is to
Hmm.
3,
Uh,
then the price per kg of the mixed variety of rice is, and that
okay.
is mean price, right?
Yes, okay. Now, this problem actually allegation method everything not necessary. Generally, they asking first type rice 15 rupee, second type rice 20 rupee. Both are mixing in 2 is to 3. Both are mixing in 2 is to 3 means so first type you take how many kg Kirism?
Sir,
First type you take how many kgs? First type of the rice you take how many kg? 2 kg.
2
Second
kg,
type of rice 3 kg. They
3
said.
kg.
Okay, they said they're mixing the rices like a 2 is to 3. They're mixing the rices in a 2 is to 3 means so 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3 means total how many kg? 5 kg.
5
Okay.
kg.
So first one 2 into each kilo cost 15 rupee. 3 into each kilo cost 20 rupee. So total worth 5 kg. This is 5 kg worth. Okay. So 5 kg. So then answer 90 rupees to 5 kg. So each kg cost how much then? 90 by 5. So answer 18 rupees. Completed answer. Okay. Now, this is general method. Now we want to apply the allegation method. Allegation method apply first type 15 rupee, second type 20 rupee. After mixing, what is the rate? After mixing it, what is the rate we have to purchase it?
We have to find out.
Yes. So in which ratio? In which ratio means so apply our methodology. Okay. In which ratio? 20 minus x. Second one, ulta. X minus 15. Okay. In this ratio, 20 minus x and x minus 15 ratio, if you are mixing the two rices, then you are getting the answer. But already ratio is given. In which ratio they are mixing already? In which ratio? In which ratio?
2 is to 3.
We are getting one answer, they given one answer. Both are equal. Got it? Girija got it?
Yes, sir.
Cross multiplication. 60 minus 3x is equal to 2x minus 30. So 5x is equal to 90. So x is equal to 18 rupee. So x value 18. Again, you got the same answer. Okay, now Girija are getting this is general method, this is allegation method. Any question also we have a general method. Any question also we have a general method. Allegation is the another method only. Okay. Girija, okay?
Okay, sir.
Second question. My work, friends, only my work. For this first type, we have a 3 questions. So that 3 questions also I will explain. That 3 only you can practice. You don't need to anyone also. Three different type of questions. First type I given 2 different rates. I'm asking the mixture mean price. In the second question, one cost is given, another one is not given. Okay. Any doubt, ask me, friends, immediately. Okay. Okay. Question. Read the question, Girija. You are work for reading line by line, word by word. You are the representative for the remaining people. That's right. Tell me, Girija.
One quality of wheat at 9 rupees
30 paisa.
30 paisa per kg.
Okay.
Mixed with another quantity at a certain rate in the ratio 8:7.
Okay, 1 minute. 8:7 means what is the meaning? First type you take a 8 kg, second type you take a
7 kg.
that is the meaning. Okay, next.
If the mixture so formed be worth 10 rupees per kg.
So this 10 is called mean price. Mixture price. Okay, the cost price of the unit quantity of the mixture is called mean price. Mixture cost 10 rupee. Okay, na?
Yes.
Next.
So what is the rate per kg of the second quality of wheat?
Okay, na? First allegation method I apply. Wheat 1 and wheat 2. Wheat 1 cost how much? 9.30 paisa. 9 rupee 30 paisa. I convert into the paisas. So wheat 2, I don't know X. After mixing, what is the paisa? 10 rupee. 10 rupee means 1000 paisa. In which ratio? So 1000 minus X. Next 1000. Not like that. X minus 1000. 1000 minus 930. Is it okay now? But already ratio is given. Already ratio is given means X minus 1000 by 70 is equal to what is the ratio given? 8 by 7. 8 by 7. So 7 tenths cross multiplication. So X minus 1000 is equal to 80. X minus 1000 is equal to 80. Then X is equal to 1080. That is equal to 10 rupee 80 paisa. 10 rupee 80 paisa. Okay, Girija, are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Now, general method. In which ratio they have set mixing? In which ratio they want to set mixing? In which ratio? 8:7. So first type you take 8 kg, second type you take 7 kg. So 8 into each kg cost 930. 7 into each kg cost we don't know. So after the mixing, we are getting total how many kg? Total how many kg after mixing we are getting? 15 kg. Each kg cost 10 rupee. That is 1000. Okay. Individual cost is equal to mean price into total worth. Is it okay now? Individuals result equal. Is it okay? Girija?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Simplify this equation. 7x is equal to 15 into 1000 minus 8 into 930. Okay. So x is equal to 15 into 1000 minus 8 into 930 upon 7. Then simplify 1080 is the answer. 10 rupee 80 paisa. Completed answer. Are you getting now? Okay.
Yes,
Na?
yes.
Next. First type concept, type 1 or type 2 is given. They are asking the mixing price. Second type, one type is given. Second type is not given. Mixing price is given. Okay. Mixing price is given. Next.
Sir, once explain the previous problem, sir.
Sure. Now come to the previous question. Tell me, Antena? Shambhavi or Girija?
Yes, sir, I'm on that.
Anta. Tell me, which one? First one or second one? Now?
First method only, sir.
First method. Actually, wheat one cost. What is the wheat one cost? Anta? 9 rupee 30 paisa. Okay, na? Okay, na, Anita?
Yes, sir.
Wheat to cost, we don't know. Okay, no? X paisa. This is paisa. Everything also paisa. I'm converting into the paisa. After mixing, each kilo wheat is, after mixing each kilo wheat is 10 rupee. 10 rupee means 1000 paisa. Okay, no? 10 rupee means 1000 paisa. Okay, no? So in which ratio you are mixing? In which ratio you are mixing? Not a given. You are mixing in which ratio means X minus 1000 is to 1000 minus 930. This is the ratio. If you are mixing in this ratio, each kilo cost 10, 1000 paisa, 10 rupee. Okay. So already ratio is given. You are getting one ratio. This is your ratio. But already one ratio is given. So both are equal. X minus 1000 by 70. 100, 1000 minus 970. Already what is the ratio given? 8 by 7. So 7 times cross multiplication. X minus 1000 is equal to 80. Then X is equal to 1080. Okay. And
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
next, general method. Okay, can I explain?
Sir, once explain that method also, sir.
General method. 8:7 means what is the meaning? 8:7 meaning that two weights are mixing in the ratio as usually corresponding ratios. Okay, now 8:7. 8 into each kilo cost. Each kilo cost 930 paisa anta. 7 into each kilo cost not given. After mixing how many kgs?
1000.
After mixing how many kgs we have total? 15 kg.
Okay.
Each kilo cost 10 rupee. Each kilo cost 10 rupee means 1000. So their individual product is their individual sum is equal to the 15 into 1000. Is it right?
Sir, once explain, sir, I didn't get it.
కొంచెం అంత సౌండ్ తగ్గించుకో అక్కడ అనిత హియర్ అబ్జర్వ్.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, చెప్పండి సార్. హలో సార్.
అంతే లిజన్. 1 kg cost actually 100 rupee anta.
Okay, sir.
1 kg cost 50 rupee. Here you taken 2 kg. Here you taken 5 kg. Okay, anta.
Okay, sir.
So you taken 2 kg means what is the amount here I'm getting?
200.
Here I'm getting 5 kg means 250 rupee. So overall I'm getting how much rupee from you?
450.
For how many kgs? Okay.
7
Take minute.
kgs.
For the 7 kgs. So each kg cost
750 by 7.
450 by 7.
450 by 7.
Okay, na. So total I'm getting from you 750. Total I'm getting from you 450. Okay, na. Is it okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, each kilo cost 450 by 7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Individually I'm getting the amount 200 plus 250, which is equal to that 200 guys. That 200 came from 2 into 100. Here 5 into 50. So total I'm getting total after mixing. I'm getting how many kg? 7. Each kg cost
450 by 7.
already just know another point 450 by 7. So 7 and 7 cancel. A left side also 450, right side also 450. The results equal. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So individual results together is equal to so total weight into each kg make average price result equal obviously.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sure, are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here individually 8 into 930, 7 into x, we are getting the same amount. The amount is equal to the total 15 kg, each kilo average price of 1000. The results equal.
Okay, sir.
So after the simplification, 7x is equal to 15 into 1000 minus 8 into 930. Okay, x is equal to simplify 15 into 1000 minus 8 into 930 upon 7, which is equal to 1080. That is equal to 10 rupee 80 paisa.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Anita?
Okay, sir.
Next, last question. In the type 1, last question. Look at this one. Here, how many items, Girija? Read the question carefully and tell me.
Tea worth 126 rupees per kg and 135 rupees per kg are mixed with a third variety in the ratio 1:1:2.
Okay.
Sir, but they have given only 2.
Only 2. So first variety, second variety is given, third variety is not a given. Third variety is not a given means, so what is the question here? What is the answer? 1:2 means total how many kg? Total how many kg?
4 kg.
4 kg. So first one each kilo 126, second one each kilo 135, third one 2 into each kilo I don't know actually pay. After mixing I'm getting 4 kg. Each kilo they given already 153. Simplify, okay, simplify 126 to 135, 126 to 135, okay, 126 to 135, and all Pavan, your work.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. 2x is equal to 4 3 is 12, 4 5 is 20, 1 6 1 2 minus 6 1 3 2 5 6.
175, sir.
Answer enta?
చెప్పాలా సార్?
Okay. Okay, so 2x is equal to 351. 2x is equal to 351. So the next is equal to 351 by 2. 175.5 is the answer. 175.5 is the answer, friends. Completed. Okay, we have 3 type of questions from the type 1. First question, both type 1 and type 2 given a mixed price they're asking. Second type of the question, mixed price given, one type of variety given. Third question, more than 2 items mixing given. More than 2 items means compulsory general. There is no allegation. I mean, there is no class method. This is allegation, but there is no class method. Okay, we are using the general method only. Okay, general method only. Okay, friends, that is model 1 concept. This type, any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Ask me once again. Ask me once again. Type 2. This is also 20 minutes concept. Last type 3, 10 minutes concept. Over. Okay, now first type, any doubt? Ask me once. First type, ask me once. Raise the hand. Do you have any doubt? Ask me. Well, modern, this second type, very important concept. Very important. In gate examination, 3 times given. That 3 times gate questions also only type 2 only. Only type 2. From the type 2 only. I'm showing the questions right. First type, any doubt? Giriza, any doubt? First type?
No, sir.
And Giriza, tell me, 1:6:8. Total how many kgs?
15, sir.
Okay, 2:3. Total how many kg?
5 kg.
Okay, now so 5 each kg support 10 rupees. So what is the 5 kg worth?
50.
5 into 10, 50. Average price I'm asking. Okay, now. Okay, Girija. Next, Nikhil, any doubt? Nitin, any doubt? Saif, Gayatri, Meena. Okay, friends. Type 2, very important. Okay, Pavano, Giriza, Anita, Ashwini, okay, Meena, Saif. Okay, and I need a reply from you. Okay, almost 8 minutes concept only. Practice to only 6 minutes. Concept very important. What is the concept? Okay, what is the concept? Type 2. All of you observe, concentrate, all of you. A container having 100 liters of the pure milk. A container having 100 liters of the pure milk. Okay. A container having 100 liters of the pure milk. From which? Anta, concentrate. Okay. Giriza, tell me. From which you removed 10 liters of the milk. Okay, Anta. Okay, Giriza.
Yes, sir.
Then immediately 10 liters of water added. 10 liters of water added. 10 liters of water added. Now container having how many liters of the quantity?
Same, sir, 100.
Yes, excellent. Okay, again I removed 10 liters. Again 10 liters added. How much quantity?
Same, sir.
10 liters removed, 10 liters added. Tell me.
Same, sir. Same
5
quantity.
liters, remove 5 liters added.
Same quantity.
2 liters, remove 2 liters added.
Same quantity.
20 liters, remove 20 liters added.
Same quantity.
So you can do any operation, the quantity should be same. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
You remember that point. Now, second point. So out of the 100 liters, you remove the 10 liters of the milk, immediately 10 liters water added. Now, container having, what is the pure quantity of the milk now? Tell me. What is the pure quantity of the milk now? Tell me. Give me the reply.
90 liters, sir.
Okay, 90 liters. Pure quantity of the milk, 90. Water, how much then?
10 liters, sir.
10. Next. Again, second time, I removed. Okay. Again, second time, I remove the 10 liters of the quantity. Again, I remove 10 liters of the quantity. Again, I remove 10 liters of the quantity. Then immediately 10 liters of water added. So what is the container quantity?
Same quantity, sir.
But in that 100, what is the pure quantity of the milk now?
80, sir.
Wrong. Okay, na? Wrong, Girija.
Okay.
Okay, that is our concept actually.
Okay.
Okay. Look at all of you. Look at all of you. First time 10 liters, you removed 10 liters water added. Okay, na? So then what is the pure quantity of the milk now?
90.
And 10. Okay, na?
Hmm.
Second time you remove the 10 liter. Second time you remove the 10 liter means this 10 liter is not a pure milk. It is a mixture.
Oh.
Second time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, second time it is a mixture. So actually 90 and 10. 90 and 10 means if your ratio is a 9:1, that means okay, you remove the 10 liter. You remove the 10 liter means in the 10, 9:1. 9:1 meaning 9:1 meaning 9 and 1 only. So in the second time you are getting only 9 liters outside from the mixture.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 9 liters from the mixture means what is the milk now? 31. Because you can observe the friends. Okay, milk decreased obviously, water is increased obviously. Okay, there is no changes in the milk. Milk we are not adding, only water every time adding only. Okay, milk obviously compulsory decreased, water obviously increased. So 81. What is the milk now? Water now. What is the water now?
Water 8.
19.
19.
Okay, don't confuse. The total quantity always how much liter?
100.
So if this is 81 means obviously 19 only.
19 only. Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point now? Okay, na? Are you getting my
In
point?
in the removing 10 liters, we have only 1 liter of water.
1 liter water outside, you have added 10 liter. 10 plus 9 is 19.
19. Yes, sir.
That is one method. But another method 81, obviously remaining everything water.
19. Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So again you remove the 10 liter, again 10 liter water, again you remove the 10 liter, again remove added water, again remove the 10 liter, again remove the added water. Okay, remove added. After 10 operations, like after 10 operations, what is the pure quantity of the milk? Now that is the question actually. Okay, what is the pure quantity of the milk? Now that is the problem. Okay, so every time this method is a time waste.
Yes, sir.
That's why we have a concept. That's why we have a concept. Okay, we have a concept. Total, a container contains. Okay, a container contains. Need ga chadutanu. Okay, I read clearly and a copy from the material. Okay, information copy from the PPT. A container contains X liters of quantity from which Y liters are taken out and replaced by the water. This operation performed n times. What is the pure quantity of the milk now? What is the pure quantity of the milk now means X into 1 minus Y by X whole power n is the formula. Okay, now formula. Okay, the same statement I'm taking from here. Okay, friends, look at here. Type 2. Type 2. Concept name replaced concept. Type 2, replaced. A container contains X liters of the quantity, okay, pure liquid, from which Y liters taken out and replaced by the another quantity. This operation is performed n times. So then the pure quantity of the liquid in the container is X into 1 minus X, Y by X whole power n. The X meaning initial liquid, Y meaning replaced liquid, N meaning number of times. So present question, total how many liters? It is a total previously. Just now we are solving 100 liters. In 100 liters, you removing the 10 liter, you added 10 liter. Again remove the 10 liter, again added 10 liter. So your answer is 81 you are getting. So by using the formula, X 100, replace the value 10. N how many times?
2 times.
One time removed, added. This is called one operation. Okay, remove, add is called one operation. X 100 into 1 minus 10 by 100 whole square. So 100 into simplify 9 by 10 whole square. So 100 into 81 by 100. 100 cancel. So answer is 81. Answer is 81. So we are getting the answer is also 81 previously. Okay, no. Previously we are getting the same answer. Is it okay, Girija?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, Girija, first time he removed the 5 liter, again added 5 liter, again removed 5 liter, again added 5 liter. This operation performed one more time. This operation performed one more time. So total how many times completed operation?
3 times, sir.
3 times. Okay, thanks. Now come to the questions. Directly apply the formula. Okay, now directly apply the formula. Use the calculator, friends. Use the calci. A container contains 40 liters of the milk from which 4 liters was taken out and replaced with water. This operation performed further 2 times. Further 2 times means total n value how much time?
3, sir.
3 times. Initial quantity 40, replaced quantity 4. You can apply. So 40 into 1 minus 4 by 40 whole cube. So 40 into 1 minus 1 by 10 whole cube. So 40 into 9 by 10 whole cube. Okay. 40 into 9 cube value 729, 10 cube value 1000. Okay, 0 cancel. So 4 into 7.29, that is equal to 29.16. Okay, completed answer. In case you don't know this concept, one by one, line by line, lengthy concept. Okay, lengthy. Next. Question number 8, question number 9, both are gate questions. 8, 10, 8, 9, 10, 3 also gate questions. But they mentioned only one time. 3 also gate questions. You can check previous gate questions book. My work only, same concept. Read the question, Girija, first.
A container originally contains 10 liters of pure spirit. X
So this
equals-
is X. Okay.
And from this container, 1 liter of spirit is replaced with 1 liter of water. Y is 1. Subsequently, 1 liter of mixture is again replaced with 1 liter of water. So this process is repeated one more time. So
So n value
3 times.
completed. So what is the pure quantity? So 10 into 1 minus 1 by 10 whole cube. So 10 into 9 by 10 whole cube. So 10 into 9 cube value 729, 10 cube value 1000. 0 cancel. 729 upon 100, that is 7.29. Completed answer. Okay, no? Next. Type 3. Type 3. Vessels mixing directly. Vessels, okay, not a quantity. Vessels mixing. Okay. Here, for me, I taken almost 5 minutes for explanation. 5 minutes for example. Okay. One example over work. Look at all of you. Okay, two vessels. Clearly observe, two vessels, okay, A and B contain spirit and water mixture in the ratio 5:2 and 7:6. Friends, clearly understand, clearly observe. First vessel contains spirit and water 5:2. Second vessel contains spirit and water 7:6 respectively. Find the ratio in which these mixture to be mixed obtain a new mixture in the vessel C. Okay, in which these mixture be mixed obtain in a new mixture in the vessel C means vessels you are mixing in a which ratio? That is the question actually. Vessels mixing in a which ratio? Not the direct to vessel 1 vessel 2 mixing. Okay, not a vessel 1 vessel 2 mixing. These mixture, okay, in which these mixture be mixed to obtain a new mixture in the vessel C. Okay, vessel C. Spirit and water in the ratio 8:5. In the new vessel, spirit and water 8:5. Concept observe all of you. Okay. Giriza, tell me 5:2 means you can assume a liter wise because it is a liquid. Here
7:6.
7:6. So 7:6. So this vessel one contains how many liters generally?
7 liters.
Here 13. So if you are mixing these two, 7 liter and 13, what is the how many liter?
20 liters.
Which means, Girija, which means you are taking this vessel is only one vessel. This vessel means only one vessel. You are mixing actually 1:1 vessels. Okay, not a okay. You are mixing 1:1 vessels. Are you getting my point now, Girija? So 7 liter means 7 plus 13, 20 liter means that means you are taking vessels 1:1 ratio. But they're asking that question actually. Vessels mixing in a which ratio? That is the question actually. Are you getting my point? So in the 20, spirit and water, what is the ratio given? 8:5. So 8:5, wrong thinking actually. Okay. So that means you are mixing in a first vessel and this is also vessel. You are mixing only two vessels. But the question is the vessels mixing in a which ratio? Okay, this type of bowl. Okay, this type of bowl. Inside you don't know. Okay, this A and B. A is taken how many times? B taken how many times? Suppose B take A taken 10 vessels, B taken 4 vessels. Total how many vessels we have? 14 vessels. These 14 vessels mixing in the vessel, very big vessel. The big vessel contains spirit and water 8:5. That is requirement actually. Are you getting it now?
Yes, sir.
So vessels mixing means in which ratio we are taking the vessel. That is the question actually. So vessel, we have a two type of the methods. So original method and general, irrigation method also. Suppose first irrigation method, spirit wise. Spirit wise, I am taking the spirit wise. Vessel 1 contain, this is vessel 1, this is vessel 2. In a vessel 1 contain, what is the spirit quantity? What is the spirit quantity? What is the spirit quantity?
5, sir.
5 out of
7.
here vessel quantity
7 out of
13.
13.
So in a new vessel, in the big vessel, what is the spirit quantity?
8 out of
13.
13.
Apply irrigation rule. 8/13 minus 7/13 is to 5/7 minus 8/13. LCM 1/13. So here 5 into 13 minus 8 into 7 upon 7 into 13. 13 and 13 cancel. 13 cancel. LCM 7 is to what is it? 1 is to 65 minus 56. That is 9. So 1 is to 9/7. That is equal to 7:9. 7:9 is the answer. So vessel 1 you take a 7 vessels. Vessel 2 you take a 9 vessels. After mixing the result is 16 vessels. In the 16 vessels mixture, the big vessel contains the spirit and water 8:5. That is the answer. Okay, now. Okay, Girija.
So then vessel 1 is 7 and vessel 2 is 9.
First vessel 7 vessels, second vessel 9 vessels you take. Total we are getting 16 vessels. These 16 vessels poured. Poured means poured in a big vessel. The big vessel contains spirit and water 8:5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or irrigation method. General method. Vessel 1 you take X vessels.
Sir, same thing we can
Water wise also.
water wise also. Sir.
Vessel to taken Y vessels. Yeah, okay. General method, first vessel you take X vessels, second you take a Y vessels. After mixing, you are getting how many vessels total? After mixing, how many vessels you are getting?
X
X
plus
plus
Y.
X plus Y. So first one you take a first vessel, spirit wise or water wise, your wish. Tell me, spirit wise. Anything answer should be same. First vessel contain first X vessels. So what is the spirit quantity in X vessels? 5/7. Second Y vessels 7/13. After mixing, how many vessels you have? In the X plus Y vessels, spirit quantity 8/13. Completed answer. Simplify. Okay, now X into 5/7 plus Y into 7/13, 8x/13 minus 8y plus 8y/13. This 7 left right side, this is left side. So 5x/7 minus 8x/13 is equal to, okay, 8y/13 minus 7y/13. 7/13. So LCM 7 into 13, 60 x common, 65 minus 56 is equal to y common, then answer 1/13. 13 and 13 cancel. So then answer x into 9/7, that is equal to y. Okay, I want x/y, that is equal to 7/9 is the answer. Okay, no? 7/9 is the answer. Are you getting now?
Yes, sir.
Completed. This type of model, vessels mixing. The big vessel contains small vessel container, okay, two vessels mixing, either spirit or either water or anything. You can take any one variable, with respect to one variable, you're getting the answer. Okay, no? Completed. Theory 5 minutes, example 3 minutes. Look at. Next, we have one more question. That question I will finish. Your work only 2 questions. You don't worry, in case you are not getting any question also, I am sharing the solutions. We had a solution. So
this is same question.
this is actually this problem, not a model, not anything also. Okay, one of the question, different question. Once if you have finished the profit and loss concept, this problem very easy. At present, some people a little bit confused. Don't confuse it, just observe. Okay, don't solve anything, just observe. Once I finish the profit and loss, easily you can understand this question there, not now. Okay, but the question added in the irrigation concept, we have to discuss. Okay, just observe the question only. Just observe the question only. Just observe the question. I will solve the question. After completion of the profit and loss, you got excellent clarity about this one tomorrow. Okay, read the question. Here is a slowly. I mean, word by word, line by line, important this question.
How many kilograms of sugar costing 9 per kg must be mixed with 20 kgs of sugar costing 7 rupee per kg, so that there may be a gain of 10% by selling the mixture at 9 rupee 24 paisa per kg.
Look at all of you. How many kilograms means each kilo 9 rupee. How many kilograms you have to take? You don't know. X kg. Each kg 9 rupees. Is mixed with how many kg?
27 kgs of sugar.
Into 7. After mixing, you are getting how many kgs? Both are mixing. Total how many kgs you had?
27 plus X.
Excellent. 27 plus X kg. Now each kg cost of each kg, this mixture each kg cost, this mixture each kg cost,
9 rupee and 24.
okay, that's here small change is given. What he said, so that there may be a gain of 10% by selling the mixture at 9.24. Maybe a gain 10% by selling the mixture at 9.24. So the selling price is 9.24, is getting the 10% profit. But I want a cost price, not the selling prices. Okay, I want a cost price. So 9.24, the shopkeeper sold at 9.24 is getting a 10% profit. 10% profit means which is equal to 110%. Okay, profit meaning 10%, profit means 110. Okay, loss meaning minus, positive meaning plus. 110% value 9.24. I want cost price. I want cost price means 100%. How much? Cross multiplication. After the cross multiplication, 9.24 into 100 upon 110, which is equal to 8.4. We are getting 8.4. So the mixture cost price is 8.4. Simplify this equation, then you are getting the X value. Okay, no? Simplify this equation, then you are getting X value. Answer, tell me. Use the calculator and tell me. Pavan.
Yes, sir. Calculating, sir.
63 kg. Right, calculate. వచ్చిందా?
Yes, sir.
అంతే 63, right answer. Okay, anonymous data. Completed, friends. Ratio and proportional and delegation mixture one set. Okay, topic is over. Tomorrow, percentage of profit and loss. We have another 4 days, friends. We have another only 4 days. CRP questions already added. Where is it? Here, anonymous attendants already received the CRP questions. I shared. Here, I'm not visibility not getting. Okay, leave it. Okay, friends, do you have any doubt? Ask me. In case you don't have doubt, thank you. I'm relieving.